Hi guys, Steph here. As you can see, I'm having a lovely stroll down by the river this morning. It's a lovely day, getting a lot of fresh air before we go home, open our presents, get excited and sit down to our Christmas dinner and just generally have a lovely festive day. So, I'd just like to take this opportunity to wish all my viewers, all my customers, regular customers, you know who you are, and everybody else in the fountain pen community, and of course anybody else that knows me. I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, a happy and prosperous New Year as well, and let's just spare a thought for all the people around the world that are not as fortunate as us. Let's just give a little thought at Christmas for them people as well. But for now, Slavo Krieni, and from me, I'll see you soon. So let's get on with our lovely stroll.